Hello everyone! So today we're focusing on physical ergonomics. But first things first, what is ergonomics? So ergonomics is a science of designing and arranging things so people can use them safely and efficiently. It focuses on fitting the job, tool, or workspace to the user, rather than forcing the person to adapt to a poor design. The goal is to reduce pain, prevent injury, and boost comfort in this video. I will demonstrate 5 everyday physical ergonomics mistakes, show the physical stress they cause, and provide simple, healthier solutions to fix them. So there are actually 3 types of ergonomics. First is the physical ergonomics. So the physical ergonomics are arguably the most important type of ergonomics, as most employers prioritize physical comfort when to accommodate their workers. Second is organizational ergonomics, whereas physical ergonomics tends to focus on individual comfort. Organizational ergonomics examines ways to optimize entire workplaces. Lastly is the cognitive ergonomics. So cognitive ergonomics deal with the mind ability to process information and interact with data. Finding ways to help people retain data is among the key areas of study for engineers in this field. So now, we just learned what is ergonomics and its type. Next is, I'm going to demonstrate you the problems and solutions of ergonomics under physical ergonomics. First example here is the monitor height and neck alignment. Eye level monitor prevents neck strain. So the problem here is looking down at the low screen forces the head forward, or the tech neck for every inch in your head tilts forward, and the extra load on your cervical spine increases by roughly 10 pounds. So the extreme tension in the upper neck, trap muscles, and upper back. So the solution here is that elevate the display so your line of sight aligns with the top third of the monitor. Second example is the wrist position while typing. So neutral wrist position reduces nerve. The main problem is typing with wrists extended upward or resting on sharp desk edges. The highlighted issue is compression of the carpal tunnel and median nerve, leading to numbness, tingling, or repetitive strain injury, in short RSI. Ergonomic solution is to keep forearms, wrists, and hands in a straight neutral line parallel to the floor. Third example here is the heavy object lifting technique. Squat lifting shifts load to leg muscles. The main problem is bending at the waist with straight legs while picking up heavy loads. Highlighted issue is the severe shear force on the spinal lumbar disc, which can trigger acute back strains or herniated discs. So the ergonomic solution is to squat down using your hips and knees, keep the spine neutral, and carry the weight close to your torso. Phone usage and head posture. Bring device up to the eye level. And the main problem is looking down into your lap while holding a smartphone or cadring a phone between your shoulder and ear. So the highlighted issue is the asymmetrical muscle strain across the neck and the upper spine, compressing cervical nerves. The ergonomic solution is to hold up the phone closer to eye level or use hands-free earphones so your head stays upright and centered over your shoulders. Lastly is the overhead reaching and working above shoulder height. The main problem is overextending arms above shoulder level or tiptoeing to reach items stored high up on shelves or cabinets. Highlighted issue is severe strain on the rotator cuff muscles, shoulder tendons compression, or impingement syndrome, and extreme backward hyperextension of the neck and lower back. The ergonomic solution: use a stable step stool or step ladder to bring your work or reaching height down between chest and waist level, or the power zone. And that wraps our look into physical ergonomics. As we saw today, preventing injury and fatigue doesn't require expensive gear or complete overhauls. It all comes down to small, daily habits, keeping your spine neutral, lifting with your legs, and bringing your work into your power zone. By making these quick adjustments, you can protect your body and perform at your best every single day. Thanks so much for watching!